What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back with another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And today will be a day that y'all been waiting on, and a day I've been dreading. I will harvest and eat arugula and radish. All right, y'all, this is the harvest bowl. Now, this is my plan. I'm gonna get arugula, I'm gonna get some lettuce, and I'm gonna get some radish. And we're gonna have a salad. I might get some kohlrabi too. Maybe some sugarcane too. Who knows? It's a big harvest. All right. I've been dreading this. Ah, that's what it looked like. We gotta eat it, y'all. We grown, we're adults, we can do it. Good for you. Delicious. Whole bunch of vitamins and nutrition. What could go wrong? It's got to taste good, right? Right. It's got to taste good. And this, man, it's growing great too. Oh, I hate that. But that's what we gotta do, y'all. When you get older, you gotta eat for health. Health is wealth, right? I can't eat Chick-fil-A all day, every day. I can't do that. I want to, but I can't do that. So we gon', oh man, it's a lot of this stuff. I don't like to waste food, y'all. So we're gonna get it all. Yeah. And I might throw some radish greens in there. They say you can eat those too. Let's see. All right, I think I got all. All right, let's get all this arugula. I hope, well, I was finna say hopefully, if I cut it back, it come back. I hope it die. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I hope it die. Let's get some of these radishes too. They small radish. Thank God they small. I don't think I wanted a big one. You know what? I draw the line somewhere. I'm not eating these leaves. I gotta draw the line somewhere. For some reason they are growing great. Really great. I don't know why. Oh, that's a big one. Look at them. Compared to these. That's a big one. Oh man. I wish somebody just come up and say, hey, I really love radish. I really need some radish in my life. I just give them all of them. All right, that's what I got so far. I'm gonna peel these radish and then with arugula. But I need some lettuce, y'all. I need this lettuce. No way I can eat it without lettuce. So I'm really gonna have to do a big chop on this lettuce.
Got a two-tongue weight from my hairline to my backbone, and it's dragging me around, but I don't listen. All your critics are red. Mind your own business. That's right. And I run red lights. Now watch me fly.
All right, y'all, let's get the first kohlrabi of the year. That ain't bad, y'all. That's a nice size kohlrabi. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, y'all, first broccoli of the year. And it's got side shoots all over it. No, it's not that big. I thought it was gonna get a little big, but it looked like it's starting to loosen up. So we gotta go ahead and get that now, ASAP. I got a bunch of side shoots. Let's go in here and look at these side shoots. I went ahead and got it because of all these side shoots. I want those to go ahead and get a little energy. You know what I mean? So I went ahead and got it. Not huge, but it's broccoli, y'all. It is broccoli. All right, let's get this sugarcane out of here. Too cold for sugarcane. I don't think these big enough. Let me get something bigger. Let's see, can I saw it off? This one didn't get very big. Say cut it down to 1 inch to come back. It came back last year. I don't know about this one. Smells sweet. That's all I got from that one. And the rest of them too small. Hopefully they keep growing and come back in the springtime. All right, y'all. That's all the sugar cane that I got at the end. So I'm just gonna replant it. I got these pieces. They got nose on it, but they're super green. Find the camera. There you go. It's super green, but they do got nose. So I'm gonna try to plant them at the back side of my bed. I'm just gonna plant them long ways and cross my fingers. Uh-oh, I hit one garlic plant. My bad, my bad. So, just gonna put it straight down. And I'm just gonna roll it all the way in the back of my bed. And if you bury it deep enough, it should be fine over the winter. All right, this the harvest. Nice size kohlrabi, little broccoli floret or whatever. So a whole bunch of lettuce and arugula at the bottom. Arugula. Now let's go eat this stuff.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that.
That is my salad. I got some of my Satsuma oranges in here to try to cut the taste of the radish and the arugula. Got my Caesar salad dressing. Gonna put it on here. And I know some people saying, roast the radish. Roast it. No, when I made the video, when I planted the seed, I said I was gonna eat it raw. Cause it's about health, not taste. I ain't trying to make it taste good. I'm trying to make it good for the body. All right. I'm gonna get one bite with radish and arugula on it. With a little salad dressing. Is it good? We know it's not delicious. We know it's not delicious. But I'm a man of my word. I said I was gonna eat it for health. And I'm gonna eat it for health. I got a little Satsuma orange on that one. So I got a little radish, arugula and lettuce, and a little Satsuma orange on it. Now that ain't bad. That ain't bad. The orange and it really cut the spicy bitterness on it. I can eat that. So, that's how I'm gonna eat it. Now, of course, I'm gonna throw this bowl and this fork away because anything that's touched arugula need to go in the trash can. But overall, put a little salad dressing on it and mix in some oranges to cut some of the peppery, bitter taste. It's not that bad. One little bite. Little bite. Little bite. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. You just gotta do it right. And remember, we're not eating because it tastes great. We're eating because it's good for you. That's a big misconception we gotta do better with. So, cheers.